Welcome to your daily market recap, where we give you all the day's news stories in less than 3 minutes. Today is no different. Let's get right into it. Let's start looking at some of the top gainers today. We have Chainlink, which is pumping over 8%. We have Cosmos doing really well, almost 8% on the day. Near Protocol, a big mover today, almost 7%, and also Helium Network, up almost 7% as well. When we look at the top stories of the day, we have Bitcoin rising above 63,000 for the first time since December last year. And this comes as more and more people are buying Bitcoin as a result of the latest dip. In fact, over $100 million worth of Bitcoin was bought during the latest dip. According to Glassnode data, we also have MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor's company, which has bought an additional 5,500 Bitcoin since the last time they announced their purchase, bringing their total up to over $5 billion worth of Bitcoin. In other news, we have the SEC saying that they will be making a decision about the Bitcoin ETF soon, probably within weeks rather than months. This is good news, but we've heard this before, so let's not get too excited until it actually happens. We also have the Winklevoss twins saying that they still believe in an eventual Bitcoin price of $1 million. And this is despite the fact that they got massively trolled by somebody, claiming to be a 20-year-old kid who started buying Bitcoin in 2011, and now he is a millionaire. This is obviously fake, but still the Winklevoss twins are saying that if you believe in the tech, then you should believe in the price going to $1 million. In altcoin news, we have Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin saying that he believes in a multi-chain future where Ethereum is not the only blockchain that people use. He says that different blockchains can be good at different things. Now in the Forex world, we have the Reserve Bank of Australia governor saying that he does not want to see a central bank digital currency anytime soon. And this is because he doesn't think it as necessary, and he also thinks that it could potentially be very dangerous. And lastly, we have Christine Lagarde saying that crypto is a serious issue and that regulators need to take action to protect investors. That's all for the day, guys. Be blessed. Hopefully I didn't miss anything major. If I did, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you tomorrow.